Hey, what's up, y'all? This your girl GOLDMOUTH, and I got Scooby over here. And Scooby, say hi. Yeah. Okay, I got Scooby over here. So I got Scooby out here today, y'all. So we can do a project, y'all. So what we do, we got is a canvas right here, and y'all, I got some acrylic paint, and I got some glitter and all type of stuff. So I'm trying to do a painting for my living room. I mean, my kitchen, somewhere in the house, dining room. And I got a can of regular paint. This ain't no acrylic. This is some interior latex paint. So I don't know if it's gonna work, but we gonna get it done today. We gonna see. This is a we gonna see, y'all. What you call it? This is a sample. I don't know what we finna call it, but so first off, we gonna get this paint and put it all across this board. Then we gonna get the other paints and put them in these cups right we got here. So Scooby, your job. Get all the paints. You're going to need to get down here. So, and open them up and put different color in each cup. So, we seen a lot of these different things on YouTube. But wasn't nobody finna go out and buy no all expensive kind of stuff. They got different type of stuff you mix in it. Floetrol, oil, transmission fluid, and gas. All type of stuff to make this here paint work. So, we finna see if we can get it working or done in the way that we just do. Okay, so I'm gonna get the regular wall paint, and I'm gonna paint the whole canvas first while Scooby getting the paint prepared in those cups right there. Oh yeah, y'all, we got dish detergent too. So I'm gonna paint this whole canvas right here with just some white paint. I'm gonna wait, just put it in the
whole thing.
Not put a little bit more. Put half of, like half of it. That's enough right there. We're gonna do mostly blue though. Okay. So get the blue and squeeze all of that. And I got dish detergent. I got this old dish detergent bottle right here. This Joy. What Poobia used to use when she was here. So I got Gain. I'm gonna put, it's just some residue in there for real. I'm gonna put the Gain in here. I don't know, I guess I'm gonna squeeze it about 4 or 5 times. I don't know, ain't nobody give us no good instructions. So I just squeeze it in there. Y'all see it turn kind of green. That might be too much. I don't know, y'all. No. So I'm gonna put the top back on it and shake it up. Oh, I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it up, but that's what I'm gonna do. And while Scooby getting this paint ready, we got blue, we got green. Okay, that's enough. What you doing? We got blue, we got green, we got a little orange, some gray, some black, some white. Okay, so now while he getting that ready, I'm gonna paint this canvas here. But actually, I don't want to go here. I don't want to paint too early. I'm gonna put a little bit of dish detergent in each cup, y'all. I need to make sure if they coming in clear. While we getting paint in there, while Scooby getting the paint, I'm gonna get the detergent right here and put it in each cup. Y'all, I ain't getting no popsicle sticks. I don't know what I'm doing, so we just gonna shake it up. I ain't getting no popsicle sticks, so we just gonna. Ooh, that might be too, that might be a little too thin. I might have put too much water in there, but it's all good. We're going to just go with the flow right here. I'm going to shake it up. It's a little watery. Oh, shit. Oops. It's a little watery. I might put too much water in it. It's all good. Now I'm going to just shake it up. Ain't got no popsicle stick, so it is what it is. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. We're finna come out with some magic, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more in there because that's still a little thick. Put the gloves on if you're worried about getting on your hand now.
My hands too.
Got this here. Got this. I think it might need to be a little watery, so that one, that thickness, I don't know about. Got it that thin. Y'all can't see that, but we gonna mix this paint here. Ooh, what's that? That's black. That just was thick.
Yeah.
Well, I can't get the camera angle so y'all can see all up in here, but I'm gonna just shake it around until it gets a little bit thinner. Oh Lord, it's gonna be. I don't know what we finna do, y'all. Oh
Lord.
Get
it away from the thing. What's this one?
Oops, we putting black spots on it already.
Yes.
Okay, let me move this. I'm gonna move the canvas out the way for a minute. Now that we got that done, we got all our colors shook up. I don't know if I got enough colors or not. Okay, now we're gonna start painting this. Scooby, get down here so you can paint this.
All you gotta do is just pour it on there and spread it out.
Okay, pour it on there and spread it out. Okay.
Well, you're doing it wrong.
Well, I'm not gonna be spreading all of that out now.
Just pour it on there.
No. I'm not gonna lift that whole thing.
I know.
Then it's gonna be too much.
No, it's not.
Oh no, I'm gonna just pour it on with the brush. It ain't that big. It ain't that big.
Yes, it is.
Not really. If I drip enough,
I did it with the wood, and it turned out okay. Okay,
well let's just drip it on like that. I'm gonna strip that on. She rubbed it in with her hands too.
I ain't doing that. That's why I said pour it on.
Okay, so
I rubbed it in with my hands.
Let me bring it closer. Okay, so now we just gonna rub this on, and it's supposed to help the paint flow easier.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, if we put more in there.
So now we're gonna pour different colors in one spot and blow with a blow dryer. Oh, we using Pooba blow dryer, y'all. Don't tell her, but she shouldn't have left it here in Alabama. So
this hot.
Okay, it's a blow dryer.
Oh, okay, I see.
Put all the way up is cool. All the way up. Okay. We got to pour the paint first. You need to get out of the chair. You have to get down. Get down over there. Okay, you still got to come all the way around. Okay, y'all, here you go. We're going to pour some blue. Get the blow dryer. Oh, yeah, you pour. Yeah, you pour. Pour and, oh, she poured 3 different colors. Okay. Move it. Not that much. You got to kind of make a line or something.
I can't do that.
Okay. Yes, you can. See, like this. Ooh, that one watery, y'all. Oh, this going to be so ugly. Ooh, okay, go. Hi. Spread that blue around mostly. Put that blue in there. Okay, we're gonna come up with a masterpiece. This is gonna be how you lay it too. Just leave it on high. We don't know what we're doing, y'all. Don't put the cord in there now. And now you're going to put the cord on your paint. Okay, so that's some glue.
That's not how you're supposed to do it.
Okay. My bad. Ooh, this is going to be a beautiful work of art. That's the brown. Don't put too much brown. I want that to be blue. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, go. Some of that blue break some over here. That's great. It's on. Ooh, yeah. Hold the cord. Okay. What that is? Put some in the white spot. Oh, don't put too much. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, this will stain your pants for real. Keep away from this.
Wait, a little bit. No. I said a little bit. You're making it black out. No more black.
Put like brown in it.
Wait, you need to come over here. Yeah, put a little bit of brown right there. A little bit. Nah. You don't say it, man.
You said it too late.
I said nah.
You got any more brush?
Yeah.
You got any more brush?
I don't know what we got. Don't put it too close. You can. Right here, wait, don't look blend with it. Right here, that green. Okay, y'all, this is the end result of both of those paintings. Now, I'm finally done. I hope those colors match, but if they don't, they going on the wall. Y'all already know. On the wall. Okay, y'all, so hopefully y'all get a good look at this. So that they're gonna, that last time, y'all, it took that painting 2 days to dry. It was on the back porch under the shade, but I realized that you got to put it in the sun to dry fast, girl. I thought it was just gonna dry overnight because it was like 24 hours and it did not dry completely. And plus I put too much paint on it anyway, so maybe that was a problem too. But it was my first time, and these are my first official paintings from me and Scooby. I think we did a pretty good job. Y'all can see the bling on it. That is all the bling. Y'all can see that. Very blingy. Okay, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. That's all I got to say in this video. And I will holler at y'all later. Bye.